What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for two reasons. Number one, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number two, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K, and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. But either way, I appreciate you guys. Today's video is about the stocks that I'm loading up on this week. There's one in particular, but I want to put you guys up on a couple that I want you guys to pounce on if you see any hesitation this week in the stock market. All right, without further ado, we got a huge day ahead of us today, so let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $54,188.91 on the day. Not too much is going on, guys. On the week, we are down a little over 1%. On the month, we are again very close to break even. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 10%. If we go 1 year out, even though I haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up almost 15%. And if we go out all time, guys, right now we are up right at 15%. Listen, guys, I started this account in January with $0. I come on here each and every day to show you guys how to properly build your investment portfolio, man. Please join me on the journey. We're on a road to 100K, and our first goal was 10K. So again, guys, I appreciate you for rocking with me. Let's get to it. Guys, we headed for another crazy and wild week in the stock market. Again, I told you guys the month of September is just wild like that, okay? And so I don't want you guys to freak out. I want you guys to be prepared. That's why I try to inform you. That's why I try to give you guys quality intel in advance, so that you're not caught off guard by the ebbs and flows of the stock market, okay? But today, one of the stocks that I want you guys to consider, if you catch Tesla lacking this week, and I mean 365 or below, I need you guys to continue loading up and building out your position in Tesla. For those of you that's just now adding this to your position, okay? Tesla's going to give you some great opportunities in the future, but right now they're going to get beat up pretty hard, okay? That whole getting dissed by the S&P 500 was just the beginning of the haters trying to kick this stock down. But for you, that's a buying opportunity. 365 and below, guys, please consider adding 1 or 2 shares here and there. If you let it drop some more, add a couple more shares here and there, okay? The next stock that I need to put you guys on is Microsoft. Please do not sleep on Microsoft. One of the best stocks in the stock market is Microsoft, especially at $202. I don't care if you buy it at 203, but the price targets to get in this stock at is 202, 201, 200, and if you see it at 199, you guys definitely better pounce all over this, okay? Again, stocks is going to tear it up once they come through this little troubled times. These little troubled waters will be stocks like both Tesla and Microsoft. So I want the people that rock with me to be in position to benefit, all right? Next, I have Helion. Listen, guys, ticker symbol SHLL. They've been on fire. They finally cooled off just a little bit. The cool off is an opportunity for us to get in. They done went from 40 to 50, and you guys know we've been talking about this since 15, 16, $17, and so they done shot through the moon, and now they done came back under $50. So sitting at $47. If you new and you guys that ask me, is it a good time to get in? For you new investors that don't have this with us, 20 and below, we're in this at 20, 19, 16, 17, and 15. Those of you that didn't get it there, I need you to consider this at $47 to $45, all right? Get in on Helion while you can. When the merger happens and it goes to the roof, I want you guys to eat really good off this one. But the one I'm loading up on, guys, is BGS, B&G Foods. Listen, guys, when they sleep, we eat. I'm going to always put you up on game on the stocks that nobody on YouTube or nowhere else, not CNBC. CNBC, they steal a lot of my stocks and then they talk about them after I do. But skip that, guys. I want you guys to focus on B&G fools. All right, this is a sleeper. I want you guys to consider this one at 26.50 or below. Okay, when they sleep we eat, and this is how we eat, because we get on the plays that nobody is thinking about. In addition to being a good stock, and in addition to me helping and make sure that you guys are diversifying away from just tech all the time, I'm putting this on your head. Okay, and so I'm in this. You guys can see I got 55 shares of this. I've been loading up, and I'm going to continue loading up. My average cost is $29.65, so I'm going to be buying this in the $26 range soon as the stock market open Monday morning. Okay, I want you guys to jump in on this play even lower than what I got in at the 26.50 mark. All right, and then we're going to ride this one all the way back up. Do your research if not familiar with this one. Already done it, but I want you guys to be confident in what you're investing in if you listening and rocking with me. Okay, listen guys, it's going to be a crazy week in the stock market. It's my job to put you guys in position to win. That's all I care about, is seeing you guys be successful. Okay, and so I wanted to put that on you guys today. We're going to have a really good week this week. I'm going to teach you guys some options this week, and I want to put this one thing out there. If those of you that know how to sell puts or buy puts, consider Nicola this week. All right, just keep that in mind. That's between us. All right, get your money up. Up next guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is paper loss. Listen man, I need to double back to this guys, because the volatility that you guys are going to see the rest of September in some of the stocks you own is going to have you guys, it's going to make your stomach hurt a little bit. But I want you to know, and I want to reiterate this point for a lot of you guys, you never lose money in the stock market unless you sell. Okay, everything else is a paper loss. I can't stress that enough for you all. Okay, and so I'm coming on to tell you that so I can kind of put to rest and put you at ease just a little bit. I don't care if you're down. You don't never see me come on here tripping about being down. I show you guys that I'm down as soon as the opening video of my video starts on my portfolio. I show you guys, man, I'm down today. Woo, woo, woo. Okay, listen, we don't care about day-to-day fluctuations and up and down price points. You never lose in the stock market unless you sell. And if you rock with me, you guys already know our price targets, so we should be holding to certain price points anyway are met, so that we can take profit and do what we do from that point. So guys, don't panic. Again, stay the course. Again, demonstrate some patience, demonstrate some resolve, and over time continue to study. You'll see how the market moves. Like I always tell you, the market always goes back up. I don't care what it do tomorrow. I don't care what it does Tuesday or Wednesday or any time in the future. Okay, it will always go back up at some point, and so all you got to do is know how to ride the waves. All right, and so guys, paper loss is our word for the day. I'm going to be putting some more call options and put option lingo on the table so you guys can have a little bit of homework to do leading up to Wednesday and Thursday. All right, but listen guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Cart Walk 1. How much buying power will I need to capitalize on this next play? Cart Walk 1, I appreciate you for sending this in. Check this out guys, he's or she's referring to the play that we have coming up on this week, September 18th. We're going to do a buy call option on Rocket. All right, and so guys, just so I can put it out there for everybody, you will not spend more than $100. Okay, so prepare for that. Set that aside for me, because I want to show you how to make $100, $500, or $100, $1,000. It all depends on how that day goes when we trade. Okay, but listen, like I talked about yesterday in the video, there will be some potential risk for loss. Not much, because I'm going to keep this very simple for us, because I'm going to show you something, and then separate from me guys, you can replicate and duplicate this whenever you want to. I just want to give you the tools so that you know how to go fishing for yourself. Okay, and so guys, you won't need more than $100, but I'm going to try to tell you, and I'm going to try to hit us a home run. And so you're going to also have to not be greedy. When you're up 50%, 75%, 150%, I want you guys to be content and know Chris just giving us some game on how to win. Okay, I hit home runs all the time behind the scenes guys in options, but I want to show you guys, because when you get this taste, It's going to be addictive, all right? But I want to help you pace yourselves so that you don't go overboard and get too excited with this game that you're learning, all right? So listen, Cart Walk 1, I thank you for this question. We're going to get to it this week, so make sure you guys lock in. Make sure you like and subscribe and got your notifications on so that you can see the videos when they are published. Then please make sure that you're inviting and telling other people to join the channel, man. I'm just trying to reach as many people as I can, but I can't do that without your help, okay? Listen, guys, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.